Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how can you register your child in Al-Marifa school. To register your child in Al-Marifa school, make sure you open the main website, which is almarifa-intsch.ae. Once you open that, you will see this page here on your screen. And of course, you can see here new students. Click on registration and it's now open. And of course, make sure to read what is mentioned here. And if you acknowledge that, just click on here, I acknowledge the content in the above, and then click on New Student Registration. And then from there, you need to fill out the form here you can see. You need to fill out the father's name, mother's name, and of course your child's name, which class is he or she is in at the moment. And of course, you need to fill out the Emirates ID along with its expiry date, passport number, visa number, and the address along with the email. And of course, you have the one on the right. You have some health concerns if your child is having. If your child is, for example, is diabetic, make sure to click on this checkbox here so the school will know that your child is diabetic, for example. And if the child has any siblings like brothers or sisters, you can just click on yes here and just fill out that sibling, that brother or sister's ID. But let's say keep it as a no for now. And I'm just gonna make it here a bit shorter. Just fill out the names here, fill out the number, and of course, doesn't have to be all, but just make sure to fill out most of them. And of course, make sure to enter your child's name. That's very important according to what Emirates ID. You have to check your Emirates ID and write exactly as it is. And of course, what class he or she is in. Let's say, for example, grade 6. And you have transportation if you want that for bus, then just enable that. And then you have gender if it's male, your child is male or female, of course. Fill out the nationality here. I'm just gonna put any nationality for now, but make sure to fill out according the correct nationality, of course, and just put any date for now. And you can just here you have place of birth. I'll just put the same here, for example, and just fill out the Emirates ID number. Of course, this is how it needs to be written. You can see here in this example, 784-00. This is how you have to write as it is, not just only numbers. You have to make sure to put a dash on it. Okay? And of course, make sure to fill out the expiry date. That's what also really matters. Like when is going to expire. Let's say 2024, for example, on June. And make sure to fill in the passport number, place of issue, date of issue, and of course here fill out the visa number. Once you fill out with everything, you have here at the bottom it says term to average. If your student is, let's say, in grade 5 and wants to go to Marifa school as a transfer student, then you have to fill out the number. But if your student is if your child, that is in KG1, like starting from fresh, you just make sure to write it here as 0. Okay? Once you've fill out all of the form here, you just click on submit. And once you click on submit, you will definitely have a username and password. Okay? You will have these two, username and password. And once you're done, you need to log in and then to fill out with other things. But if you have any questions or something is not clear, please let me know. And thank you for watching.